How do I specify custom comparator for the in keyword in Python? I am fairly new to Python, so I welcome alternative approaches. I have a list of dictionaries that I start with, read from a file. Now I have a bunch of additional dictionaries that I'd like to add to this list, but only if they are not in the original list. However, I require that not in the original list is defined by a custom comparison function, rather than whatever Python uses as default. More specifically, I want to compare certain key/value pairs in the dictionary, and if they are the same, return true for the expression.
Use any. If my class is of a type that you can control, you can also overwrite the underscore contains underscore method.
You don't. The in operator is part of the language syntax. What you want to do is something like this. If you need a function of type, object, rule that tests for containment, there's already one in the standard lib. To address your comment on GEDC's answer. If your values are hashable, roughly speaking, this means they are immutable. The most efficient is probably to make use of Python sets. After reading in mylist, generate a set of the values of interest from mylist. If I'm reading your question right, you'll have a set of tuples generated from mylist. Then when you loop over newlist, you can test membership, again, of the values of interest, against that set, which is O1 per test, yielding an algorithmic complexity of OM plus N. You may want to use operator.itemGetter to grab the values of interest.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribe link.